Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm MR2, and today is a really special day because this is the first time I'm seeing my car in 2 weeks. It has undergone some major changes. It's been in the paint shop for a week and a half. It has had rust repair, it has gone through the MOT, and yeah, I'm super excited to see what it is. We are in Chris's car at the moment, just gonna go pick it up. Oh my god.
It's painted. I don't know, I'm gonna just do this.
So my car is officially home, guys, and there is my other car, which will be getting sold very soon because I have another project car which will be on the way shortly. I've been going all out with the mods whilst my car has been in the garage because I haven't had it for 2 weeks, and yeah, I asked you guys on Instagram like what mods I should do, the amount of like turbo comments I had and all of that. Guys, it will be soon, just keep liking and subscribing and then I can have turbos. So I've got these dress-up bolts. I've also got a sun strip to go on my car finally. It's just a plain black one for now because I don't know what I sort of want on it and what vibe I want to go with the car yet. But yeah, that's going to be good. I wanted to get like loads and loads of mods like bought whilst the car was in the garage and then just put them all on for a little like series on TikTok and Instagram for you guys. So yeah, let's get to it. But anyway, I cannot wait to show you guys what paintwork has been done because it looks so good and has just completely transformed the car. So I'm starting with the dress-up bolts whilst I wait for Chris to come home, and he needs help with the sun strip because I have no clue what I'm doing. So I'm going to do these first whilst I wait for him to come back from work, and yeah, we will go from there. So we are going to Mobo Group's Supercars and Helicopters evening. It's like a little garden party black tie event, so I'm super excited for that. So I'm going to wash the car before we go because I cannot show up there with the dirty car, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so welcome to my engine bay. You can see I have a few dress-up bolts already on there, and these ones were the oil slick ones, but they have gone a little bit rusty, so I don't know whether I will replace them or not. I'm not too sure on that, and I'm just gonna have a look around and see where else I can put them. Like, I literally cannot wait. Am I twisting the right way? I don't know. It's not coming off. Okay, success, we've got one off. I realised that I meant to use the Allen key this way and not the other way. So, yeah. We all have to learn somewhere, guys. I've got that Allen key wedged in the screw. Oh, no, this isn't even my Allen key. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. You guys can probably hear that Chris is home now. Okay, guys, we are flying now that I've learned how to use a Allen key properly. So, yeah.
Ugly.
I'm just a girl and I had to call in reinforcements. Now he's home.
Oh my god, pink.
You look very cute and with the pink
I bet I
tools.
did. Do I look petite?
You do.
Do I look very petite, very demure? The reason I'm late is because I was driving on a sim. I was sim drifting.
Which you are. What are you doing at work, honey?
Sim drifting.
Welcome to my life. I always wear white on the most inconvenient days. So all of the dress-up bolts are done, and now it is like, what, 6:30, something like that?
I'm hungry.
So he's hungry. We got lasagna for dinner, which is like my favourite. I don't know if it's your favourite. No?
Oh, me? Oh, I thought you were talking to the audience. No, yeah, lasagna's pretty damn good. Not my favourite. Pretty good though. I think it's this week when we make our own homemade pizza, that's
homemade pizza is banging, and he's gluten-free, so but we learned how to make banging gluten-free pizza.
It's good.
It's good. Anyway, dress-up bolts are done. We are going to do the sun strip tomorrow when we wash the car because we're going to the Mobo Group event, the garden party tomorrow. So the car needs to be washed and polished for that. So we're upstairs charging all the polishes and everything like that.
We've also found out we need more dress-up bolts.
We need more
because
dress-up bolts.
I've opened Lex's eyes to the amount of voltage that you can the amount of voltage that you can put a spoiler. You can put them. Oh god, I can't speak.
I think we'll cut that. So we are cleaning the car now and polishing it ready for tonight. So Chris is getting his. There's the carabiner.
That's the carabiner we needed.
So yeah, Chris is getting all his stuff. Frog tape?
Frog tape.
That's so cute. He literally was like, I have a surprise for you and got me my favourite drink. So we have energy for doing this.
Yeah.
Stop. The amount of frog tape we use in this process is insane. So frog tape, if you would like to sponsor us, that would be much appreciated. So it will not be long until you guys get to see what colour my car is now and the paintwork that has been done to it. We're just going to polish the car now, so we've got all our polishing kit out. We've got, these are the old ones, but we're going to use new ones. We've got all of our kit ready to go, and then you guys will get to see the car when it is in its best state. Okay guys, so we have finally finished polishing the car, and it is time for the very long awaited reveal. I hope you guys are not disappointed. I am certainly not. But yeah, let's get to it. There she is. So all of the side skirts have been painted. The rust has been gotten rid of on this arch here, and the other side is the same. The side skirts have been painted. I feel like it just looks so much better, so much more cohesive, and I am so in love with it. Next, we're going to be painting all of these bits because you can see the paint is super bad on them, and the wing, I might get the 326 wing, and different boot lid as well. But yeah, I hope you guys like the reveal. Comment what you think and subscribe so I can paint my car more.